Are you unable to find the voice isolation feature on your iPhone? This could be due to compatibility issues or incorrect settings. Here's how to resolve the problem, and before you follow anything, check compatibility. Ensure that you are at least using iPhone X series or later, and you must use iOS 15 or later. Now, back to the main process. Solution 1. Check out voice isolation feature. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, scroll down, tap Audio and Visual, tap Add Voice Isolation to turn on. If this is already turned on, then turn it off and turn it back on again. Keep in mind, if you somehow don't get this option, you need to update your iPhone immediately. However, if you have this option but can't use it, try the following process. Solution 2. Activate your isolation feature. Open the phone dialer. Try to call any random number. Swipe down to open Control Center. Tap on the arrow icon. Now enable voice isolation. After that, your voice isolation feature will be activated. If you're still having problems, then try following the next solution. Solution 3. Give a reset to all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset, tap Reset all settings. Doing this will help you solve your issues. Ensure the app you're using for calls, such as FaceTime, WhatsApp, etc., has microphone access enabled. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and access voice isolation on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips, and stay tuned for the next tutorial.